In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily permanently delete messages on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up WhatsApp. Go right here to chats and then enter a conversation. Now, guys, if we want to delete a particular message or several messages without clearing the entire chat history on a particular conversation, first off, we need to long press at a message we would like to delete, then tap right here at delete, and after that you will be able to select several messages just by tapping on them in that way. And then to remove all the selected messages at once, just hit right here at this trash icon and then hit at delete. Also, guys, we can easily clear the entire conversation, so we can almost in one click delete all the messages in that conversation without deleting the conversation itself from our chat history. To do that, tap right here at conversation name and then scroll down to the very bottom. After that, tap at clear chat and then clear all messages. As you can see, all the messages have been cleared from that conversation, but the conversation still remains in my chats. However, if you would like to delete conversation itself from your chats, you just need to swipe to the left, then hit more, and then delete chat, and then confirm it. That's how we can easily delete conversation from our chats, and that action also removes all the messages from that conversation. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.